Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see a new form of integration, that is integral 1 upon a plus b sin square x dx. Let us start with problem number 1. Integral dx upon 3 minus 2 sin square x. Now friends, whenever we have sin square x or cos square x or both sin square x and cos square x present in the denominator, there are certain steps that are need to be followed. The first step is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. In the next step, if we have a sec square x term in the denominator, we are going to replace it by 1 plus tan square x, that is using the identity. And after that, the substitution will be put tan x is equal to t. By following these three steps, we will definitely approach towards the answer. Now let us start with first step, that is we are going to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. That will give you dx upon cos square x divided by 3 minus 2 sin square x upon cos square x. As you can see, we have 1 upon cos square, that is sec square x. And this cos square x can be separated to both the terms, that will give you 3 upon cos square x minus 2 sin square x upon cos square x. If you see further, we have sec square x dx upon 3, again 1 upon cos square x will give you sec square x minus 2 sin square x upon cos square x, we know it is tan square x. As you can see, sec square x is in the denominator. Therefore, we will replace it using the identity 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. This will give you integral sec square x dx upon 3 into sec square x is 1 plus tan square x. This identity is to be used only when sec square x is in denominator, not in numerator. Since it was in denominator, we have written it as 1 plus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. On further solving, we have sec square x dx. This will give you 3 plus 3 tan square x minus 2 tan square x. We have sec square x dx upon 3 tan square minus 2 tan square will give you 1 tan square x. After simplification, the last step says that put tan x is equal to t. As you can clearly see, in the numerator you have sec square x dx, and the function whose derivative is sec square x is definitely tan x. Therefore, we will put tan x as t and differentiate with respect to t. Tan x will give you sec square x, for x we have dx, and on the right hand side we have dt. Now let us see how our integral changes. Here you can see the value of sec square x dx will directly become dt, and tan x being t, tan square x will become t square. That will give you integral dt upon 3 plus t square. Now I have the form 1 upon quadratic, but since our x square is ready, we need to keep our constant as a square. Therefore 3 can be written as root 3 the whole square. Therefore I is integral dt upon t square plus root 3 the whole square. We can compare this given integral with the standard formula 1 upon x square plus a square dx, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Here the value of x is t and the value of a is root 3. Therefore The value of I will be 1 by root 3 tan inverse t upon root 3 plus c. The last step will include resubstituting the value of t as therefore I is equal to 1 upon root 3 tan inverse of we have tan x upon root 3 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.